doesn't matter whether you win the election or not. But you must show enough is enough. Yes. Enough is enough. You know, I don't support whatever they call Muslim ticket. I don't. Okay, you don't like it, but you are supporting handover from one ethnic group to the same ethnic group, from the same region to the same region. Is Nigeria right for that? No. Equity, fairness, and what? Justice. Give to the South. I didn't say bring South. I didn't say bring South. We have South, Southeast, and Southwest. If you say, okay, they will not know. Well, go to Southwest, go to Southeast, go to South. As the case may be, let us have. This is the period. Power is being played. If you don't have it, forget it. If anybody tells you, let you resign when election conducted, then you're a foolish person. This is the time decision is being made. This is the time the presidential candidate, national chairman, and the leader of government will sit. When the election is won in February, before the president is sworn in, decisions have been and then they are selling that dummy to you people. Hey, why not wait? Let's finish. Look at every election is local. Every election is what? Local. Let nobody tell you that. Don't be deceived by anything.